Go ahead.
Hey, I'm Gary Berger of Berger Law. I'm sitting here with our client, Michael. How are you today?
Doing pretty good.
How excited were you to do this video for me?
Not really, because
Because why?
because I'm just no country boy, and I don't feel too comfortable being in the spotlight.
Isn't it weird for me to come in and ask you to do a video a little bit?
Yes, it is.
You know what? One of the reasons why I do them though is it's about our firm and the work we do. I want to get the word out, but it's also there's a lot of people like you though, country boys, country women, people who are in different parts that don't understand the legal system or what it takes to fight to win a case.
That's true. Very true.
And sometimes I think that real people like you're a no bullshit kind of guy, right?
Yeah.
Did you think I was going to say that word on video?
No, but that's the way I talk.
That's the way I talk too.
Okay.
So, but those kind of people to me are good communicators about what's so about that. So, can I ask you some questions?
Yeah, you
Why are you here today?
I stopped by to. I wasn't supposed to come up to St. Louis, and I come up to get my settlement, but I stopped by because I'm on my way to Barnes Hospital to see my brother-in-law. He's in the hospital.
I'm sorry about
and
that.
that's why I stopped by here, because I was in the area.
And we said, hey, we can get you your check.
Yeah, you guys said you can cut me a check, so that's why I'm here.
And we have it here, right?
Yes.
All right, we have the letter and the check.
Yeah.
Are you happy with what we did?
Yes.
That's a lot of money in your pocket.
Well,
isn't
yeah,
it?
and it's also, I'm glad you guys really did a fast, good, no bull crap. There wasn't no bull crap to it. You guys took care of the business, and that was it.
Didn't Taylor do a great job?
Yes, she did.
She's holding the camera now.
Yeah,
Taylor Northland. She's a
she's
a great lawyer.
Very good.
So, what were the things before you did this? What were the things you were worried about? What are the things you didn't know when you were worried about that other people may have the same experience?
Well, I'm beginning to worry if I was going to have to just live with this stuff the rest of my life, or if I was going to have a little bit of money extra later on down the road to get a couple things fixed that I have to make my life a lot more comfortable.
That's going to get a lot of things fixed. That check, isn't it?
That will help.
You had another lawyer help you for a while, for a couple of years.
Yes.
And then you came to us.
Yes.
And then when you came to and we work with that other lawyers send us cases, and they ask us to help them. When that happened, how did the pace of how the case went change?
It sped up quite a bit.
All right.
A lot. So.
And what did we do for you?
Did
we file suit in your case?
Yeah.
We filed suit in your case immediately.
Got it, and it didn't take long to settle.
No, that's what we do. We file suit. We don't, if you sit around and don't get suits filed and don't push it, they're not trying to get you paid money. I mean, you didn't get paid for a long time. You came to us. We filed suit. This year, we turned around and we settled the case for the policy limits, right?
Yes, you did, and that's good.
What was it like working with us, communicating with us?
No, I mean, every time I called or whatever, or wanted to know a question, or you guys answered everything I wanted to know, and just straight out truthful, and I got my answers.
Thank you. And then, in your settlement letter, the other thing we do is we take care of all the liens. So if anybody wants money back out of your case, we negotiated that down a little bit, but we got such a good settlement, they wouldn't take that much money off.
Yeah, well, that's
But we saved you at least $1,000 there, right?
Oh yeah.
And then we got that amount in your pocket.
Yeah.
What would you share? What lessons did you learn through this process, if any, that you'd share with folks?
Well, I mean, I originally hired a lawyer I knew, on hand. I mean, I knew her personally, but me and her talked a few times, and then she said, "Well, I think we need to pass this case on to another better," in the words she used, better law firm, and that handled more cases like this, and that's what she said, and that's what she did. So she did what she promised me she was going to do, and then it come out to be real good. So
great.
I'm greatly appreciative of all the work you guys do.
Well, we thank you, and I know this isn't your your usual thing to be on a video like
No.
this, right? Tell me, what does your wife call your phone? What'd you say?
Dumb phone.
Because we have smartphones now, and you just have an old simple phone, and you call it a dumb phone.
Yes, I do. I got it right here.
Show me your dumb phone.
All right.
No, that's a flip phone. This is old school right here.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so are you a Facebook guy or do any of that?
No, I don't. I wouldn't know how to use that stuff.
Well, you're on it now. You're on it right now.
Oh God. Okay.
So you have a dumb phone, but hey, but you're a smart man. It's truly my honor to represent you and Taylor, and fighting insurance companies for people like you is why we do it. It's the reason why we do what we do.
You can't do that on your own. I'll learn that.
All right, would you recommend folks call Burger Law to help them out?
You guys are good to handle the cases quick.
All right, hey, thanks a lot. I appreciate it.
Right,
Thank
you.
Thanks.